Hi folks, this is the calm before the storm. Tomorrow we're supposed to get 12 to 18 inches of snow, they say. We're just wondering here if the hoop house will hold up and not cave in, but we'll see. It's looking pretty good out here today. It's still pretty cold, like 28 degrees. So we'll see. We'll hang in there and wait till tomorrow and see what happens. I'll tell you right now, sure don't look like any storms are coming tomorrow. Nice, pretty day. Well, cold, but pretty. So we'll just have to wait and see. Hang in there and we'll let you know more.